51 kilometers is about, so a wave equal sign means about, not exactly. 51 kilometers is about how many miles, given there are 1 6/10 kilometers in a mile. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we know the unit value. We know that there are 1.6 kilometers in every 1 mile. We want to know, if you have 51 kilometers, how many miles is that? So what we're trying to find here is the multiplier of 1.6 or 1 6/10 to get 51. So this is what we have. We have 1 6/10 times an unknown number having to equal 51. Using the inverse operation to solve for the unknown, we're going to divide both sides by 1 6/10. 1 6/10 over 1 6/10 is 1. 1 times n is n. So n is going to equal this value right here. So let's take 51 and divide by 16. I'm pretty sure it's 3. So 3 times 16 is what? 18, 48. So we have 48. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake that I'm going to quickly correct. This is 1.6, so we have to move the decimal place over 1. Yes, this is going to look better now that I mention it. So now let's subtract, which would be 3. Bring down the 0. And now we're going to go 1 times 16 is 16. Subtract. That would be 14, and bring down another 0 because now we want to find the answer to the nearest tenth. I know by doing this a couple times that 8 times 16 is going to give us the answer we want. 6 times 8 is 48. 1 times 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 128. Subtract, we get 3, 200, we get 12, but we have to bring another 0 down because we have to round it to the tenth. So I realize now that we have to go 1 less than 8, which is going to be 7. And now we have all we need. We know that we're going to have to round the 8 up to a 9. So if we have 51 kilometers, we're going to have about 31 9/10 miles.